Welcome everyone to my channel Cloud Master. So today we are going to see and learn Azure ARC. What is Azure ARC? How to use it and why do we use it? So we will see and we will also do a practical in the lab. So Azure ARC, what exactly it is? So it is Microsoft has given a very beautiful feature. So if you to bring all your infrastructure servers, maybe it may be a virtual machine, maybe a physical server, it may be a Kubernetes server, SQL server, or any server maybe from third-party clouds like AWS, Google Cloud. You can bring all of them to Azure, and they will be treated as first-class server in Azure, first-class citizen of Azure. You can apply any policy you want. You can, all your infrastructure, your hardening, network hardening, and encryption, each and everything. You can monitor them in Azure Monitor. So any service which you can use for a VM which is created in Azure, you can use same service for Azure Arc servers as well. It's a very beautiful feature, and on best part is Azure Arc is free of cost. Microsoft does not charge you for Azure Arc for bringing your servers in Azure. They don't charge you anything at all. What you will be charged is for the services which you are going to use, like storage account. So data stored in a storage account will be charged. You are using maybe for data transmission, maybe for public IP if you assign. So like all those services, there could be a charge for the services you use, but for Azure Arc, you can have an inventory, your one stop shop for all your servers. You can have a bucket of all your servers. You can have a look of at all of them in one place. You do not need to go at for AWS servers, go to AWS. For Google servers, go to Google. For on-prem, go there. For VMware, go there. No, bring all your servers to one place in Azure and just keep an eye on them. Maybe you can apply automation. You can apply rules. You can set alerts. All that you can do within Azure. So this is Azure Arc. Now let's see how to enable Azure Arc, how to get your servers in Azure. So when you open Azure portal, so this is how the portal will look like. In the top, you have a white search box. So if you have uh, used it for the first time, you do not know how to use it, so you can watch my other videos where I have explained from scratch how to create a free account in Azure, how to use it for the first time, how to create a virtual VM, right from basics. I have covered, so you can go and watch my other videos. Then come back to this video, where you will be better able to understand it. So in this search box, if you just type Arc, like here, so it will show you Azure Arc. So just click on it. Now, when you come here in the overview section, in case if you have any servers which you have brought in Azure Arc, it will show you all those servers. But since we do not have any server as of now, it's not showing anything. If you click on infrastructure, services, all that, all Azure Arc resources. So right now I have two servers which are in Azure Arc and they are showing here. So let's see how to get them in Azure. So if I go to infrastructure, so see, we can get servers in Azure, Kubernetes clusters, SQL servers. So all that we can get them here. So it depends what do you want to bring in. For now, we see how to get servers in Azure. So let's click on it. And now you have a single server, maybe you have multiple servers, add servers from update management. So all that you can do. So add a single server, you can maybe like bring your own laptop in Azure. For add multiple servers, look, so for organizations who are, vast, big organizations, they have thousands of servers. So you can choose this option, and you can bring all those servers in Azure. So right now, let's see how to get a single server in Azure. I click on generate a script. It will generate a script for us. Click next. Click on choose the resource group you want to choose. Choose your location, which operating system is this, Windows, Linux, whatever you want to choose. And connectivity method, how do you want it to connect? Public endpoint, proxy server, maybe private endpoint. So let's choose public for now. Next. You can put some tags here if you want that. Now it's easy to maintain them. So let's leave it for now. I do not want any tag for my laptop. And here it is. It is giving us a script to run on PowerShell. So let's copy this script. Do not need to download it. Let's go to PowerShell, run as administrator. Yes. And here we are. So I have the script which I have copied. I'm just going to paste it and press enter. So it's as simple as that. Now just press R, or you can press A also. And the script is running here, and it's downloading the package. So it can install the agent. So what Azure Arc is doing, it is installing an agent in my laptop. And this laptop will keep sending the, it will just create a mirror of this laptop in Azure. So it's asking me to log in. Let's log in. Okay, now it's done. It's asking us to close this tab, authentication complete. You see here 60%, 80%, and it's done. It's as simple as that. Now we can close this window, go back, all Azure Arc resources. Let's refresh it. And here it is, Rakesh LG. You see here, this server has been imported in Azure, and it's as good as any other VM created in Azure. Then to dashboard, add to favorites, edit tags. But we have not set any tag for this server. If I click on this server, so from here, if you see, we can check updates, monitoring insights, logs, policies. As I said, security. Uh, we can perform any task which we can do in case of an Azure VM. So let's go to policies to show you policy name, audit Windows VMs with a pending reboot, audit Windows. So all that we can do there. There's no limit. It's endless. Possibilities are endless. Monitoring insights. We can just enable it and it will start monitoring of the server. Let's go to security. So we have just introduced this server in Azure. So and we have not enabled monitoring as well. It will take some time to show all the recommendations, security alerts, and everything. So for now, it is just assessing this server. So there's nothing as of now. And let's go to connect. So we can also, we have this laptop, but if we want, we can connect this with this laptop uh, from here as well. And I think that's it. So the scope of this video was to show how to what is Azure Arc and how to bring them bring these servers in Azure. Second thing I wanted to show is, let's go back to overview and click add. Now you must be wondering, if I click on servers, so add multiple servers we see here. So is it like, if there are maybe like 10,000 servers, 50,000 servers, do we need to run this script on each and every server? Actually, no. We do not need to run this server script on every server manually. So in case of so many servers, thousands of servers, uh, organizations have tools like maybe Ansible, or maybe SCCM, Microsoft SCCM, or maybe HCL BigFix. So they can push this script to all these servers, and they can run it, remotely. They can just automate it. You do not need to run it manually. Go to every server and run it. So they can run this script, and once the script it's complete, we will see all those servers in Azure like we just did in case of this laptop. So don't need to worry about how to run a script on multiple servers. No, it will take months if you do it manually. Okay. So that's it for today, guys, and I will create a detailed video on this topic. If you want me to do that, please leave your comments in the comment section, and I will create a detailed video on it. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Please like this video, share with your friends. They can also get benefited, and it motivates me to create more and more such videos. Thank you for watching it, and thanks for your support. Bye bye.